If you are looking for a way to really challenge your core, look no further. Do this now. Hi, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be the workout of your dreams. If you are really wanting to fire up your core, but you want a way to up the challenge just a little bit, this is the workout for you. This is a workout where I'm using a little Pilates ball or a stability ball, or some people, my favorite brand is a Gertie ball. I can leave it linked down below in the description box. These are really indestructible, and it adds such a great challenge to your workout. It really is gonna make you feel it without any question at all. So without further ado, let's get into it, and I'll see you on the other side. We're gonna take the ball now and just gently place it around your low back. So it's not right up against your spine. It should be back a little bit so that as you round back, you're gonna land on it, right? So why don't you just have your hands on it just for now. Take a deep breath in. You're holding it so it doesn't go flying. And exhale and round through your spine here, good. Then up just a little bit, inhale. You wanna still keep that contact with the ball, and exhale and contract in the abdominals, really feel that squeezing in. One more time, inhale up, beautiful. And exhale and round, good. We're gonna stay here, good. And now roll yourself all the way back. Now, having this low on your spine is more challenging. You wanna make it easier, roll yourself down a little bit more, okay? So it's really whatever feels good for you. You're gonna place your hands behind your head, your elbows are wide. I let mine go down just a little bit on purpose, just to make it a little easier. My back is feeling tight today. So we're gonna inhale here, exhale, peel yourself up off the ball, squeezing in the belly, keep those elbows nice and wide. Come on back, inhale, and exhale and squeeze in the abdominals, that's it, good. And inhale back. And exhale and squeeze, that's it, you've got it, and inhale, and exhale and squeeze, keep on going here, it's 4, exhale and squeeze, I really feel those abs firing up, and 3, and exhale, squeeze, beautiful, let's do 2 more, and contract in the belly, perfect, last one here, inhale, and exhale, and hold it here, pulse up, it's 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and good, and hold onto your thighs here and gently roll yourself up. How much fun was that? So this next one is where if you've got some weights, go ahead and have them close by you. Same idea here, we're gonna roll back into that C curve. You want the ball when you get down to be about here on your back, okay? So it's not gonna be right on your tailbone here, it's gonna be back a little bit. Inhale, take a deep breath, round back so that you land on that ball, and then go ahead and grab your weights here, okay? So we've got that real scoop, that C curve shape here. We're gonna inhale here, and, inhale and exhale and press, that's it. And inhale, exhale, press, that's it. 3, exhale, press. You should feel your core on fire. And 5, exhale, that's it. And 6, exhale, keep going here. 7, really pull it in. And 8, exhale, 2 more. 9, exhale, and last one, and exhale. Woo, come on up. A little pink in the cheeks here, you're feeling it, I hope. Good, let's take a deep breath in, and then exhale and roll it on back here, very good. Rotate the palms up now, so your arms are at shoulder height. We're gonna do bicep curls. And scoop in the belly, extend, exhale, contract, and extend, that's it. And 3, and reach, very good. And 4, and extend, you've got it, nice. And 5, perfect, good. And 6, 7, we got it together, and 8, good, 2 more like this, 9, and last one, and good, and roll on up, careful with that ball, deep breath in, we're gonna keep on going, and exhale and roll back again here, very good, arms in a little circle shape here, ballet first position, open the arms, exhale, squeeze, and open, and exhale and squeeze, very good, 3, exhale and squeeze, very good, 4, and squeeze. Fun fact, these are great ab exercises that you can do when you're pregnant. And exhale if anyone's on that journey. And 7, exhale, squeeze, very good. 8, and squeeze, perfect. 2 more, 9, and squeeze. Last one, hold it here, squeeze. 4, and 3, and 2, and roll up. We are not done. Just giving it a little breaky break. So inhale here and exhale, round back once again. Okay, good. Bring the arms up above your head so the thumbs and index fingers are together. Bend at the elbows. Exhale, extend triceps. And exhale. Really think of the core here. Exhale. And 4. Exhale. I'm closing my eyes. This hurts. And exhale. And 6. I didn't say this was easy. 7. Exhale. Very good. 8. Squeeze. 2 more. Woo! Last one. And good. All right. Excellent. Roll up. We're almost there. Bring those arms forward and exhale, round back. Get that nice, beautiful support, C curve shape. Inhale here, exhale, pull like a bow and arrow. Inhale and exhale, that's it. 3, getting into those obliques. And 4, exhale, you've got it. And 5, good. 6, exhale, keep going. 7, perfect. 8, exhale, 2 more. And good. Last one, we're gonna go right to the other side. No breaks. And exhale, very good. And in, exhale, that's it. 3, and 4, keep on going here. This is 5, and 6, squeeze, perfect. 7, that's it. And 8, good, just 2 more. Exhale, last one. And excellent. Okay, good. I mean, I told you it was going to be challenging, but it's really fun, right? Because using just a small piece of equipment is a great way to just infuse extra challenge into your workout so that you see the best results quickly, right? And that's what we all want, right? If you are a woman that's over 40, I am speaking to you directly. We all want to feel fit. We all want to feel fabulous, right? At any age and any stage of life. So I want to introduce you and invite you to my brand new free workshop, Fit and Fabulous Over 40. You can click on the link down below in the description or up here in the eye, and I'm telling you, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint for feeling your best, getting fit, and really feeling absolutely fabulous at any age and any stage. So I will see you there. But if you want to keep hanging with me on YouTube, I would love that. Make sure to check out this video next, and I'll see you there.